Her father owned the dog originally.
Okay.
The father passed away. The dog grew up with Amanda's children, and they took ownership of the dog when her father passed. But her now ex-husband, when they went to go and take care of things after the passing of her father, he gave the dogs away. It was her and 2 other dogs, and we don't know where the other 2 are.
Oh.
But they gave her away, and he said that it was to a loving home, but, you know, clearly not. Amanda saw a post that we did about her a couple of days ago. She had followed our page from when she lived here prior. Hey Amanda, this is Amanda. How are you? I'm gonna put you on speaker. You wanna talk to Deja? Okay, hold on one sec. Let me put you on speaker. Go for it.
Deja, I'm okay. Deja girl.
Okay, honey. That's why she's being kept in the adoptions room, so that she gets to see people all day.